Hello everyone, I'm Jade Macarandang from BIT1H. Today we discuss Polya's problem when it comes to break-even, using his 4 steps. First is to understand the problem. Second, devise a plan. The third one is carrying out the plan. And the last is to look back. Before anything else, we need to know what was the break-even point. When we say break-even point, it is the point at which profit nor loss is made. It is also the indicator to figure out if a certain business is viable or visible, meaning is the business is achievable or visible. Or let's say, ito ang nagpapakita how successful yung business mo dahil dito malalaman kung nag-i-improve ba yung kita na pumapasok. So let's start. Here's the problem. As an owner of bake shop, I'm selling my cupcakes for $15 per unit. My variable cost per unit is $7. My fixed costs are $9,000. How many units do I have to sell to break even? So let's start to do the steps. Step 1 is to understand the problem. We have X, P, V, and FC. P is $15, V is $7, FC is 9,000. So P is per unit. Ito yung benta mo kada isa. While the V is variable cost, which is yung presyo ng product mo nang di pa natutubuan. And 9,000, this is your goal. Dito pumapasok ang lahat ng puhunan, lahat ng mga nagastos mo. And the X is yung break even. Ito yung hinahanap nating units na ibebenta to reach the 9,000, which is the fixed cost. Step 2 is to devise a plan. Dito papasok yung formula na gagamitin natin. So, our formula is X is equal to FC over P minus V. Or let's say, X is equal to 9,000 over 15 minus 7. Next is step 3. It's time for solving. So we have X is equal to 9,000 over 15 minus 7. X is equal to 9,000 over 8. Ito yung tubo na makukuha natin per unit. Para makuha to, we need to subtract the variable to our per unit price. Let's move on to our last step, which is time for checking. Sa pag-check, need pa din natin yung formula na ginamit kanina, which is the X is equal to FC over P minus V. So, X is equal to 9,000 over 15 minus 7 is equal to 1,125. Then, multiply sa tubo na meron tayo per unit. Yun yung $8 na nakuha natin kanina. Ang kakalabasan neto is 9,000, which is yung target natin from the start.